Converted warehouse. What was it before? A dungeon? Welcome to Crap Flat Bingo. The premise is simple. I've gone out of my way to find the worst rentals you can get in a specific city, and I'm checking them off against the top estate agent cliches. If you want to play along, you can get your bingo card in the description below. This week, we're in Stockholm, home to IKEA, ABBA, PewDiePie, and for the right price, you! I should say some of the rental prices are oddly specific, and that's because I'm converting kronas to Great British pounds. Let's dive into it. Flat 1, £1,092 per month. Very safe balcony. If the balcony's so safe, why aren't you on it? Also, who says very safe balcony? That's like saying, yeah, there's no bodies in the basement. It just adds more questions than it answers. Portrait photos. Coffin for rent. Coffin? No one else? Is that not a red flag for anyone else? Okay, maybe coffin means something else in Swedish. Nope, coffin means the same thing wherever you go. Coffin for rent with electricity, water and parking included. Available immediately. Overpriced. Look, I'm sure it's hard to park in Stockholm, but can we not brush over the coffin thing? A murder probably took place here, not actually a house. Recently renovated kitchen. Either that description hasn't been updated or there's been a cold war since it was written. A lie in the description. Ample storage. Ample. They said ample in our walk-in wardrobe. How am I meant to walk into that? I've seen more room in a zigzag. Maybe they mean their bedroom has ample storage and they're just showing off. Flat 2, £561 per month. Why has this bed got a bra? Seriously, what the fuck have you been doing with this bed? Portrait photos. A murder probably took place here. I am renting a luxury flat to you. Lucky you. If you are interested, please get in touch quickly. It will be gone fast. God, it's like chatting to your mum on MSN. Not cleaned before the photos were taken. A lie in the description. Flat 3, £967 per month. Siri, show me a boomer landlord who hasn't worked out how to upload photos from their phone. Surely you've got a child who can show you how to not upload a screenshot. Oh, and before any of you say, oh, he must have fucked with the image, I fucking didn't. That's how they thought it would look good on the listing. Portrait photos. Does someone want to explain to me what's happened here? It's a screenshot of a screenshot of a screenshot. It's like if Christopher Nolan didn't get the budget to make Inception and instead went into property. Psst, come on, come inside. You're gonna get cold. And while you're doing stuff, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Hang on, are they on the phone while taking these screenshots? One thing at a time, my dude. You clearly can't multitask. Also, is there anything sadder than an individual chair out on the porch in the snow? A murder probably took place here. Come outside. The view of the fence is great. No, thanks. On to the bedroom. For legal reasons, we are only renting out one of the beds, the bottom one. I smell a bunk bed. Child's bunk bed, not the mezzanine one. That's not a fucking mezzanine. Smokers need not apply. Or fully grown adults. For £1,000 a month, I don't want to be able to touch both my walls. Flat 4, £714 per month. Did you put Vaseline over your camera lens before you took this photo? Portrait photos. Just a quick public service announcement to any slumlords watching. We want to see the flat before we rent it. When did I become a meme? Beautifully decorated light bedroom. Light where? You're being a real tease with it, with desk and storage. I mean, technically it has all those things, but I did have to jack up the brightness in Photoshop to check. A lie in the description. Easy to use bathroom. That's a new one. What would be a hard to use bathroom? A hole in the ground? Blurry photo. Sure, just hang a cable through the room with the most water running through it. Nothing can go wrong there. Fire hazard. A murder probably took place here. Flat 5, £588 per month. The room isn't too bad, at least by the standards of the other flats we've looked at in this series, but that is a portrait photo. Beautifully decorated. Where? Here. Oh, I'm sorry I didn't notice the chandelier hanging off the curtain rail. It's alright, it's easily missed. Fire hazard. A lie in the description. Flat 6, £603 per month. 2-bed, big flat for rent. Wonderful location, decorated by a pro. I am getting a bit of a prison vibe from it, but that might be what the pro decorator was going for. Overpriced. Where's the second bed? At least it's not a bunk bed. How low is my bar? You could have at least put the picture on the wall. That way it feels a little bit less like a cult bunker. Not been cleaned before the photos were taken. A lie in the description. Flat 7. Oh, fuck off.